She has the pain when she comes up.
Ay,
¿Cuánto? Wait.
ay, como uno, 7 o 8.
7, 8, gotcha.
Ay, sí.
7 or 8, guys. Now, again, go back and watch this. No pain in this one either.
No.
No, see? No pain. But what? Come back.
Enfrente.
So she comes back.
Yeah.
But it's all on the recovery.
Ves.
Okay, yeah, so, and that's again 7 or 8, right?
Relájate.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
Okay, with the. Hi, everybody. This is Delphina, a new patient that's coming in. She is walking with the walker because she simply feels more secure with it. She can walk without it, but her pain is much greater. So we're just letting you guys watch her walk down the hall to kind of get a feel for her pain and how she's moving. She's going to come in and we're going to discuss her case like we always do. She speaks only Spanish, so her family is going to translate for her. The great thing about this case is we're going to see her with the walker, and then after we treat her, we're going to see her without the walker. We're going to judge how a single neck adjustment will change the strength and confidence of this young lady. Let's check her out.
Por dolor en la cadera y la pierna izquierda. Y me duele las piernas así cuando camino. Me duele, el dolor se me arrecia en la corva, aquí, abajo la rodilla y en el tobillo del pie.
Okay.
Y no puedo estar parada mucho rato ni sentada porque me arrecia más fuerte el dolor.
Can you translate for her?
She basically, she's had lower back pain for quite some time.
7 years.
For 7 years. Her lower back, her legs, her feet. She said she can't really be standing or sitting because the pain worsens. She needs to be lying down. That's when she feels less pain.
Gotcha.
She feels more comfortable.
Gotcha. And so, what have you done for treatment?
¿Tratamientos que te han hecho?
Pues realmente no me han hecho ningún tratamiento porque siempre que voy con el doctor me mandan a sacar MRIs, radiografías, terapia y pastillas para el dolor. Pero hasta ahorita no me han dado ningún tratamiento en todos estos años.
So all this time, really no treatments. The doctors, X-rays, MRIs, pain medication, and therapy. But treatment itself, no treatment whatsoever.
Went to 2 sort of chiropractic visits out of the garage. Hueseros guys that tried to work on her, no help. Physical therapy, no help. She's had injections too. What about the
¿Las
injections?
inyecciones te ayudaron para el dolor o
Nada más me han puesto una.
una inyección?
Only one.
Only one.
That's right. And then so none of it's helped, right? 7 years, 7 years, right? Años.
Nada te ha ayudado.
Nada,
Okay,
me
so
ayuda.
tell us about your pain in your head.
Dolor en la cabeza.
Dolor de cabeza.
¿Cuánto tiempo? O-
Pues del mismo tiempo que, como al poquito tiempo que empecé con el dolor de la cadera, me empezó el dolor de la cabeza.
she's saying that when she started feeling the lower back pain, that's when she started getting a headache.
But she has headaches every day, she says, for the last year. She also has dizziness. Mareado.
Mareos también.
Sí, Mario también.
Every day, daily, right?
Sí,
Heartburn.
¿Ácido?
Acido.
sí.
También.
Gotcha.
Every day.
And the other thing, she has diabetes. How long? 2 years of diabetes.
Diabetes hay 25 years.
Oh, 25 years. Oh, you put 2 years here before. 25 years.
25 years.
Gotcha. And she's at, what was your number, your sugar number this morning?
¿Qué número era? O en la mañana, hoy.
130.
130, gotcha. And do you take medication at all?
Yeah.
Gotcha, good. Okay, so she has high cholesterol, high blood pressure, anxiety, memory. Memory's difficult. Anything else you want to share, ma'am?
¿Algo más que quieres decir?
Pues no, nada más que el brazo ese también me corre una dolencia de aquí hasta
A slight pain in her
hasta el
shoulder.
hombro.
Gotcha. But her is really here for her legs.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Sí.
Okay, so anything else? Good? Over here, ma'am.
¿Párate ahí?
Good. So again, bend over, please. Any pain there?
¿Dolor?
No.
No pain. She has the pain when she comes up.
Ay,
¿Cuánto? Wait.
ay, como uno, 7 o 8.
7, 8. Gotcha.
Ay, sí.
7 or 8, guys. Now, again, go back and watch this. No pain in this one either.
No.
No. See? No pain. But what? Come back.
Enfrente.
So she comes back.
Yeah.
So it's all on the recovery.
¿Ves?
Okay. Yeah. So and that's again 7 or 8, right?
Relájate, relájate.
Yeah, relájate, exactly.
Oh,
Okay. With the cuello, look at the floor.
Mira, mira para abajo.
Abajo. Yeah. There you go. Any pain? ¿Te
Dolor,
duele?
dolor.
no,
Dolor? Arriba? Anything there?
no.
Gotcha. Now this is the big one for us guys. Squatting. So squat, please.
Sentadilla,
No,
sentadilla.
sentadilla.
Oh, la sentadilla.
Okay. How much pain, ma'am?
Dolor.
Esa sí me duele. Esa sí me duele aquí.
Back down the leg,
Esta
right?
parte de aquí, donde empieza la pompa, donde termina la pompa ahí, me
Gotcha.
duele.
And both ways. How much? ¿Cuánto te duele?
Como un 6.
6? Gotcha. Okay. So you guys can see that. Now boca arriba over here. Ma'am.
Ok. El Blandi la que está allá.
Sí, ahorita la hablo.
Okay.
Ay,
You okay?
Okay. You can come around this way if you want.
Relax.
Yeah. Just you want to let him go behind you, I guess? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to save the x-ray talk for showing you guys in person. She has every x-ray problem there can be, and I might as well show it on camera. Tons and tons of stuff. So we'll do that in another part, guys. So just relájate, las manos. Okay, good. We're gonna keep it really simple, okay?
ok.
Nice and easy. Okay. Good, wow. Very tight. What did that feel like?
¿Qué sentiste?
Que me tronó el cuello.
Pero, ¿cómo te sientes ahorita?
Pues ahorita siento un poquito de dolor, pero
Not
no
too
muy
bad.
fuerte.
Okay, wow. Hardly any movement in her. Was that painful at all?
¿Te dolió cuando te hizo eso?
No,
No,
un poquito,
okay, okay.
pero nomás no me tronó.
Okay, well, guys, that was very, very little movement, so I'm kind of curious what's going to happen with her myself. And I pushed a little heavier on the left and even went less. So when she gets up, no twisting or turning. The more she moves around, the more she's going to undo any work I do.
Okay. Ahorita que te levantes, no volteas tu pescuezo ni miras para abajo.
Ujú.
Derecha.
Good. So go ahead and sit up.
No, derecho, todo derecho, todo derecho. No.
Now sit up, sit up.
Siéntate. Vamos a
Put your
parar.
feet over here. This.
Derecho, derecho.
Good. Okay, mirado.
¿Te sientes mareada?
No.
Good. So she's gonna camina now. If she
Right.
has to use her walker, she has to. But if she cannot, let's see how she does without it.
Ok, levántate, vamos a caminar. Si ocupas el walker, lo usas. Si no, si puedes sola,
Okay.
tú-
And the
todo
rachas,
derecho, todo
the
derecho.
rachas with the
Derecho,
cabeza.
no mires para abajo.
There you go. Let's see. You okay? Keep camina, camina. Good. Come back. Respira
Derecho,
profunda.
derecho.
Stop right here. Okay. Any difference?
¿Sientes diferencia?
Sí.
¿Qué sientes? ¿Cómo sientes? ¿Qué sientes?
Sentí como más, ¿cómo se dice? Equilibrio.
She feels more balanced.
More balance.
Yes.
Ah.
More
Y
equilibrium.
porque caminaba y sentía que mi cuerpo se me iba así.
Doesn't feel like she's gonna fall over.
Yeah. Now she feels more balanced, like more control. Más
Ah,
control.
sin más control en mi cuerpo.
Perfect.
Es lo que sentí.
So let's see how you feel. Bend over, touch your toes, please.
A ver, relájate, toca tus pies. Ahora empiézate.
Let's see.
Despacito. Wow.
Ya fue menos el dolor.
Mucho menos.
A little bit.
A little bit better.
¿De 1 a 10?
Como un 4.
Yeah, but you see
Wow.
how fast she came up?
Like, yes, almost half, yeah.
Okay. That's one.
Para atrás. ¿Me frente?
Back up.
¿Dolor?
Right, no effect, right?
No,
Dolor. Wow.
poquito, pero
Leve.
como un 3. Es porque este es menos, como un 3. Thank you.
Okay, we got 2 more things to check. Look at the floor.
Mira, mira, no.
No.
Mira,
Just
mira,
the cuello,
tiene
the cuello. No pain, right?
dolor.
Look at this. Arriba.
Mira el techo, arriba.
Okay. Now, again, this one.
Sentadilla. Dolor. Wow, she's doing
I know, right?
2 squats.
Poquito, como un 2.
Wow.
Thank you.
Un beso.
There you go. I know I'm a sucker. Sorry. Anyways, good stuff, right? Good.
Very good, very good.
Good. So I'm glad you guys watched that. I'm surprised how much better she's doing. I love what I do, but tiny little adjustment makes big changes. So I'm glad you guys watched that. Thank you.
Okay. You're
Bye.
welcome. Bye. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, see you guys.